Welcome to Omega TV UK.
Akiaria na mwandiki wa mohoro Lydia Tet Olet kuhetukira Omega TV mushini munene wa London fururine wa Ngeretha, mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua oigite President William Ruto ni anyitite migwate honge ciothe cia thirikari na Mũng'Ethanĩro noguo wirugametie hari gutetera muingi.
We have a problem with him.
Oigite Mũng'Ethanĩro uria aratongoria ndurahumukithia President Ruto nikio atongoria a Mũng'Ethanĩro marathie na mbere na kuhahithio, akiuga Mũng'Ethanĩro wa riu ndũngĩringithanio na wa matuko mahituku.
Asking me to have a handshake with William Ruto will just even make him worse. You see, right now we are checking him and he's not liking it. To tell you the truth, we are giving him better opposition than Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga was a good opposition leader, but to be truthful, he didn't have the energy we have. In terms of being agile, in terms of articulating issues, we have a more serious opposition than we had during the time of Raila Odinga, which is good for the country. So today, if I agree to have a handshake with William Ruto, I will just be giving him a blank check to continue with the excesses.
Ni ateaneirie ndeto iria ikoretwo ikihurunjwo ati ni mukabira, akiuga ni nderetie thugunditwo ya kumumenithania na ndurire iria ingi indi haria arugameire ni gutetera a Kenya othe gutekumakania ni arurire ruriku.
What is most important is what do the majority of Kenyans think. Wherever I go across the country, I'm received very well, despite those accusations. I was in the coast the other day, and after I've spoken, wananchi were demanding I speak once more. I've been to Masai Land, I've been to Western Kenya. The people of Northern Kenya are demanding that I go there. There's no way the whole country can be demanding you go and visit them when you are tribal. That is just an accusation by detractors, and it as well, because I don't expect my detractors to talk well of me.
Gukiri uguo ateterithitie eguthie na mbere kwaria uma wa ndeto na kwambararia kayo gakuria a Kenya mainukie President William Ruto ni kwaga kuhigia ciiraniro iria ciatumire muingi ukamuthura.
Very few people can speak up, you know, stand out and speak up. I really love that, because that's who I am, and my whole chemistry, my whole DNA revolves around those two, standing out and speaking up. That is what I do, and many Kenyans really appreciate. When I came over the weekend and there was a crisis back home, Kenyans were asking, where is Rigiji? He needs to speak, because Kenyans have learned that I speak the truth. So anytime there's a challenge in the country that is a little bit complicated, that is a little bit dicey, that people do not understand correctly, Kenyans count on Rigiji to come out and tell them exactly what it is.
Mutongoria wa DCP ereire ya Kenya aria maikaraga nja wa bururi ni makanyita itemi nene thirikari-ini ria ratanya kumba na nikio acerete Ngeretha kuha a Kenya marugame na kiama giake kia DCP.
I would want a situation where either between the High Commissioner and the Deputy, one would come from the diaspora. That is what I will do if I'm president, that I pick either the High Commissioner or the Deputy from the diaspora. And it will work out well, and it's a very practical thing. So these are some of the discussions that I'm having with Kenyans who live here, who work here, and they are very excited.
Yes.
Of course, many of them have doubts because they have been cheated before. They have engaged Kenyan leaders before. The minute they are elected, they don't pick their phones. They don't give them appointment, they don't bother with them.
Hamwe na uguo oigite Mũng'Ethanĩro ni urathie na mbere na kwaraniria. Ĩndĩ ni haririe gukarirukia federal ya president na gutariria mundu uria angienda mutirithie ta munini wake ari mundu ungirehe kura nyingi hamwe na gutaukirwo ni mathina maria a Kenya marahitukira na gwetha kihonia. Athiete na mbere gucemania na a Kenya bururi-ini ucio wa Ngeretha na ni atanyitwo kuhingura wabici cia kiama kiu bururi-ini ucio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, retwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.